Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact Roblox support if you ever run into issues with your account. Let's get into it. So first up, Roblox doesn't have a direct support button on the main site. The easiest way is to open your browser and go straight to roblox.com/support. Once you're there, you'll see a form you need to fill out. Enter your username, your first name, and the email address connected to your Roblox account. Then confirm your email one more time just to be sure it's correct. Next, choose the device you're having trouble with, like PC, mobile, or maybe Xbox. After that, pick a help category. Things like account access, billing, or game issues. And then, in the description box, just type a short message explaining the problem. When you're done, hit continue to submit your request. Roblox will review it and reply to you through the email you entered. Another quick way is to just open Google, type in Roblox support, and click the first result. That'll take you to the exact same support page. And that's really it. To recap, go to roblox.com/support, fill in your details, describe your issue, and send the form. Roblox support will get back to you by email. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple how-to tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one.